Reduce isa. Mo gyud. Reduce isa. Ano ni siya hantod ni dire. Pagawas. Yata. Ano siya? Highway na diha. So, ara. Okay, mga ni siya. Poste dire. Tara. So, muna na highway diha. So, isa na lang kapusti nga itong itao dito sa Tumoy. Dito. Pinakataas. Dito. Na. So, dire kompleto na. Pasulod hanto dito sa Tumoy. Na. Ito dito. Pasulod. So, di complete. Ito dito. Dito na gusto tara. Ayan, wala na linya. Ito na ito pasulod. Ito diri. Pagawas. So the electrical is already installed. So that's the entrance electrical. Then we will put the entrance in that post, the electrical company. Then we'll from there going here. That so we have circuit breaker, the NEMA 3R 40 amperes. So this is the circuit breaker, because the meter base will put here, and that's the first electrical post. Then going in the bamboo house inside. It's already finished. That post, that's our post. Then the supply will go here. So this is our meter base. That's our meter base. Then the other one is the house. That house. So that's our meter base is already installed. So from going in the up, so we will tap a wire. Then the electric will going on that elbow. Then this meter base, that's our meter base already go. So if our permit is already finished, then the meter base will put in the Nordico meter will put on that meter base. So that's our meter base. It's already installed in this area. I'm just installing a circuit breaker. So I put a circuit breaker there. Then I will put an outlet there. Then light, socket, and outside. So ready to prepare the PDX wire. We'll use PDX wire. Breaker, then tugang outlet and switches and junction box. So junction box. Okay, so we're here now at the Samal Bamboo House to install and putting Solignum and putting outlet electrical installation for light and switches and outlet. The outlet is already installed. We have one circuit breaker, then another outlet here, and outside here. So two outlet. So next time we will put the electrical light there because we have short of wire. So we need to buy for wire for the light for electrical installed inside and here outside there. So this time we will come back here. So it's already done. The outlet, two gang outlet, it's already installed. Then in outside, another two gang outlet. We use only one circuit breaker because we have light load, so no problem. We're done. Fish. Tawagan na kanang sa may English sa kanang kuan. Lain. Nga mong sudan karon. Isda nga gisog ba? Si kuan na si. Tata. Oh, tata po nang. So mag-out ko big money mong kaon karon dire. Budol pipe. Yung mga gamit na wire. So yung mga gamit para magkuhan sa electrical karon ta. Kaya mag-install ko karon sa electrical after mabutangan og Solignum diha. After put Solignum. So it's already done putting a Solignum this portion. So next this portion, then the ini cut tray. So subba lang ni peto kanon budol pipe. Tatay ang kauban dire. Iya kini mga badi-badi dire ako mga trabahante. Mulai adik. Bibot.
Luma.
Oh. Abri na bitana tay erong mukso ng hangin. Kana?
Ayo, yo so gani kapag
Oh.
Malinawon tay.
Oh, malinawon. Tindog ta ng lamisa katri ron.
Oh. Asa ni kahira na nasa to. One ya. Inquire na mo sa kuan. Kasi gusto magpapintal ya.
Oh. Magpapatay mga termite.
Oh.
Mga kuan may mga termite kuan sila kanang hunter. Kanang tipatay kini mga queen sa anay.
Oh, kana.
Anay ang queen malipat yun ana.
Oh, queen kay mo man lang.
Oh, kay magsipang anak. Kag di mo nang patay ang queen ana. Di gud na mawala.
Wala.
Dako lagi kuya na. Kuyaw
Murag
ng
lamigas
oh,
mo.
kuyaw nila no. Solignum, it's already done. Finishing the solignum. Antay. Dire mana dire Jay? Ah, okay na, okay. It's already putting the solignum inside and outside. So the electrical it's already so in the concrete post going outside, look up, then going inside. We're putting the screw insulator going inside.